it. $60. You ready? Get ready. Yeah, $60. All right, checkpoints. Fruits, vegetables. What the heck is that? Come back. Let's go there. Let's see what we can get there that's affordable, right? I always say fruits and vegetables have to be organic. You can't cut costs with that. So this is an organic salad. All right, so good thing it's on sale for $2.99. We'll get a box of this. How do you feel? Do you like this mix or you want something else? They have arugula, they have, you do? I thought you liked arugula mix.
With like smoked salmon.
Okay, this is my favorite mix. I automatically just picked it up without asking you, so this is good.
Yeah, I can rock with it.
Okay, so we'll do this. And this is real versatile. You have $2.99. Are you calculating?
It's free for you.
No, it's on sale. I told you. It's for you so that you can take in your veggies without feeling cumbersome, without chopping up a whole bunch of stuff. Granted, you need a large variety, the rainbow color of vegetables, but because you're a college student, we want to make sure you get your nutrition in. Baby spinach, the baby spinach is high in nutrition, and you can, because the baby spinach is high in nutrition, it's going to fill you up. That's the key. That's why we're going grocery shopping and we're not buying stuff that's processed. We need food that's going to fill us up, we need food that's going to fill us up, provide us with energy, and taste good. Food that's going to taste good at the same time. All right, so you have more veggies over here. What cooking utensils are you exposed to in school? Like what?
There's not much.
Not cooking utensils, but cooking appliances.
They don't give us anything. It's mostly just, I have my own frying pan. They usually have like a cake bowl.
So you can make some chicken breast, you can make some, okay. All right, so if you wanted to meal prep, you could if you wanted to.
Yeah.
Would it be cumbersome for you to meal prep in school?
No, as long as there's somebody in the kitchen.
You'll be fine. Okay. All right, let's get it started. Look at her. She's drinking out the coldest water bottle. You like your water pool? Yeah. Get your strawberries. You want some broccoli and carrots?
I don't like carrots.
Broccoli?
Broccoli.
Okay, let's do some broccoli. You get the bunch that doesn't have yellow on it. Come on, Angel, what you want? Cabbage. You have spaghetti squash. No, that's butternut squash. String beans. Sprouts. Cucumber.
I don't know. Like, I don't have any experience with any of these vegetables.
Cucumbers is a high alkaline veggie. So consuming cucumbers is going to help to bring that energy level up and provide a lot of nutrients with that. You want some green squash?
How is
so
it
we
gonna
have
be
4, 7, however you want to cook it. You slice it up, you fillet it, you saute it, you do whatever you want. Because you're cooking it. I'm not cooking it.
I know, but like, okay, I like zucchini, but I'll just eat it.
What you don't like when it's soggy.
Yeah.
I don't like when it's soggy either. You got to eat it when it's fresh. You cook it the same day.
Yeah.
I don't like to leave my vegetables. I don't meal prep and I don't meal prep vegetables. I cook them the same day. Or what I'll do is I'll chop them in advance, put them in the fridge, and then I'll cook it that day. So it could be a lot easier.
They don't have organic tomatoes.
What's that, conventional? No, we can't do conventional tomatoes because the pesticides seeps into the skin of the tomato and you're gonna eat all of the chemicals that they made, with that. If it had a tougher skin like avocado, that'd be different, but it's tomato, we can't do conventional tomatoes. We need organic. Okay. Oh, page for their avocados to get some healthy fats to keep you full.
Here's the organic one.
What you do is with the avocado, you pop this off and you look in the inside. If it's like different colors, like green, if it's not, this is okay. This avocado is okay. It's not bad, but it's not the freshest. But you want it to look green on the inside. So pop that one off and see what it looks like. That one's good. That one's good. You can't go by the skin when it comes to avocado.
I usually, before I would just
Yeah, this
squeeze
one's good
them.
too.
And if they were soft, then I
You
would
just pick it. Yeah, that's what I used to do too. But all right, so we got that down pat. Now we need to make sure we got lunch. We need to get breakfast. Onions. Grab one organic onion. Yeah. Let's get you some red potatoes. You have some red potatoes at home? Okay, so we don't need anything extra. No red potatoes. But in the case if you didn't, we would get that. If you come here and see $4.29 for 4 pieces of chicken thighs, which I would normally do, this is not a bad price at all. So what I would normally do is I'll cut the bone off and I would do like that. So I feel like if you get 2 packs of that and you get some organic ground beef, for like especially grass-fed ground beef. Grass-fed ground beef has more vitamins and nutrients, minimizes the inflammation. It's going to help with muscle recovery. It's going to help with keeping you fuller for longer periods of time. So that's some of the benefits of grass-fed beef.
Second one is
Sometimes if it's not organic, I'll go for cage-free. Especially in your case. So right now it's
Nellie's.
yeah, Nellie's. Let's go for a box of Nellie's. Let's do Nellie's. If we were in a different grocery store, that would be cheaper. Even at Whole Foods, you can get organic eggs cheaper. But here it's just supermarket. It's marked up. The pricing is marked up. You mean you despise shopping? Whole Foods is cheaper at Whole Foods.
ShopRite is cheaper.
For Nellie's, I mean for organic eggs, yeah, you can get organic eggs
Sometimes those be on
cheaper.
sale for $2.50 at Magda.
Exactly. A lot of people, they rave about this Dave's bread. I never had it. A lot of my clients like it. A lot of the athletes consume it. I just need to check. No high fructose corn syrup, no bleach flour. Oh, okay, because it's made out of quinoa and other like grains. Carbs, 21 grams of carbs in 1 slice. Let me see this multi-grain bread. At least 12 grams of carb in 1 slice. I can do that. Organic whole wheat flour. Okay, I got quinoa. She said no. She wanted to stay with Mama today.
You know what? Thursdays I like to stay with Mama too.
Oh, you don't like red hot?
Salty. It's
Too-
not spicy.
It's not. Oh, you're more so for the spice. Oh, okay,
The
come
only thing
on.
you gotta be careful is that there's no preservative in there.
Uh-huh.
So when you open it, you gotta use it.
Oh, that's why everybody loves that bread. Okay, I was just trying to understand why they go crazy over Dave's. Okay,
It's
sorry.
good. It is a good bread.
The only thing is just so high. It's high in carbohydrates. And 1 slice is 21 grams. The other
Even
one,
a thin slice? They do have a thin one.
they do.
Yeah, right here.
Okay, let's check the thin slice. See.
I'll let you check it. Listen.
Okay, the thin slice is better. It's 13 grams of carbs in a thin slice. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. The other one was 21 grams. So the total of everything came out to $68, which is it's $8 over our budget, but it's still within that range. What do you think, AJ? You think you could afford that on a weekly or bi-weekly basis?
Yeah, I could afford that, especially since like the meat is gonna last a while anyway, so I'd only have to spend maybe 40 extra for the vegetables and stuff.
See, the interesting part about this is that meat is supposed to last you for 1 week. That shows you how much you're not like really consuming enough protein. And remember that last conversation that we had regarding you, like we got to get you to eat more. That's what's going to help you to keep you fuller throughout the day, so you won't feel like you need a binge and you need a snack. Even with do you want me to address the previous conversation that we had, Angel? You feel comfortable talking about how you were afraid of the loose skin? And,
yeah, sure.
okay, because even with the whole loose skin, I'm happy that you texted me about that when we had that conversation over the phone. I'm happy you mentioned that, because loose skin, you don't have to worry about it right now because you're really young. That's one thing. You're young. You're still in your teens. Loose skin, you have enough collagen for your skin to snap back. Your skin is going to have the ability to stretch. To shrink. Not only that, people who have loose skin, they're a lot older. That's one thing. The second thing that will cause loose skin would be diet. If they were on some type of fat diet and they, lost weight very quickly. Like, I lost 100 pounds in 2 weeks. And then it sounds good, but your body don't know. You didn't give your body enough time to register that you're losing 100 pounds in 2 weeks. And you know what happened? That skin gets loose. And that's time that it would have taken you to slowly lose the weight, is the time that it's going to take for your skin to possibly get back to its natural state. That was to fat diets and sometimes when people have surgery too, because that surgery is abruptly dropping that body fat percentage, then that causes loose skin as well. So do I help to give you some clarity on that, or were you already aware of all those reasons?
Yeah, that definitely helped with the whole fear of that. I didn't know a lot of that information, so.
Yeah, so it's all dependent on that person go. Age is a big one. Age is a really, really big one, but you'll be fine. That's why I always tell you this is the perfect time for you to get things done, and you don't have to worry too much about that right now. So you're going to have to make frequent stops for fruits and veggies. Of course, you're going to run through that a lot quicker. Always opt for organic fruits and veggies. Seeing how we did now, everything we purchased was organic, and it came out to $68, so it's not unrealistic, and it's going to last you for the whole week. So it's just a matter of learning how to shop. And you have your Himalayan salt, you have your hot sauce. Yeah, so we're good. Good. I think we would have stayed in our budget if you didn't get the 2 for $6 hot sauce.
I need it.
Yeah.
I need the hot sauce.
All right, so we pretty much got everything, and I thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for more. Also, Angel, with everything that we purchased today, I'm going to create a meal plan for you. That way you can stay within your goal.
Okay.
I need you to just get serious. No excuses now.
From the grocery store, I have taken all the meat out of its packaging, and I seasoned it and put it in this bowl, this pot, so that whenever I need my meat, I don't have to keep seasoning it. Plus, it's basically marinating, so that's great, and it'll just be ready to go. I made chicken. I had leftovers from yesterday, so I just used that. Spinach, corn, and baked red potatoes using Magda's recipe. They're really delicious, and that's gonna be my lunch for today.